Okay, so now I'm making a video on tours. It's a play part tour. It's a play part tour where I do videos, I Facebook, I do activities, I do my homework, we tutor, we play, my sister play, and where our toys found. Okay, so here's our playing part. Okay, so this is it. Okay. So you see that. Okay, so I'm giving out overview. Okay, so this is the computer part. Okay, so this is not joined. That part is not. This part is not joined. Only here. This part up to here. Up there. In my bag. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay. So I have my speaker. It's named Akan. Okay. So actually the webcam is here, but I hold it. I'm holding it right now. See? Okay, so the monitor you will see there. Okay, that. Okay, and then the lampshade. It's a clip-on. Our lampshade is a clip-on. Okay, our lampshade is clip-on. Look. So this view is what you see in most of my videos. So that is here. Am I right? Okay, so this is my stationery part, typewriter, calendar, tape dispenser, spray for watering the plants, scissors, telephone, a table, here's my cell phone, electric fan, Edelyn's toys, kitchen. So this is what you particularly see on my videos. That the kitchen, toys, the horse. This is in my video. Okay, so I have a sofa. Sofa, it's color green. Edelyn's toys for the game. Okay, sofa. My bag, a cooler, the one that's doing the horse, and the computer stand. Okay, so that's all in my main part tour. So see you guys next time for another video. I wish you to please subscribe, like, rate, and everything that you can see positively on the down is on the bar, and I want to reach more subscribers because I have no I mean not no, but it's few. I'm not content. I'm not satisfied to the amount of my subscribers, so subscribe. Okay, so bye.